Okay, so hello Codex team. So I'm going to present to you quickly the OVM, which is Open Version Manager. Basically, it's just a version manager for coding CLI tools. So we've made some analysis on the website from the many different models that we've ran, so that can be kind of interesting. But I think just to get to the point, I will show you how it works. So basically, we have the command line here. Obviously, if you want to install it, you can use the script there. And we go OVM switch. Oops. We can choose a version of codecs. And right now we're on the latest, so we can go down to, let's see, go down to, I think around here still works, because I've observed that some of the binaries have been expired. So you can see, yeah, degraded. We discovered that there is migrations that happen that then can degrade performance on old versions. So we've added a warning for that for users. This was observed when I just had an old build running alongside a new build, and I was getting some errors, and then I've managed to look into that a little bit. So yeah, basically, um, this just lets you go between different versions. And maybe you saw at the top, but I actually had some local builds that I had where I see, this is an interesting one that we've discovered as well. I'm going to add the version detection for the codexes that have been expired and surface that in the CLI very soon as well. But yeah, basically, you can maybe see here in the top as well that I actually have some dev builds here, which is that, for example, the MCP resume used to take like about 10 seconds and you weren't able to interact with it. So I made my own build and changed that, and you can actually install the dev builds into OVM, which is quite nice, and then just swap between like a productive and a dev build, which is very lovely. And then finally, we also have Claudex, which basically is using the CLI proxy API approach that was shared by Debo, and this works quite nicely. So it just makes it like a out-of-the-box approach to setting that up, which makes life quite nice and easy. So yeah, that's OVM in a nutshell. I'm going to finish this and go to sleep.